just got through practicing on the course. Got my lights going different colors.
Yep, fellas, I got my lights back working. They look pretty good, don't they? Got them on a strobe setting. They look pretty good, don't they, fellas? Bright as hell.
Chilling. Where you want to ride to? Pick a place, man. It's your turn now.
Yeah, so once again, probably happened with every riding group. Just to kind of talk over this video. Don't nobody ever know where to go. And it's crazy though. But yeah, we about to head out to, I guess you call it the south side, Broad River, Columbia, South Carolina. It's a nice night out, perfect day to ride. And we just chilling, man. It's just us two. I'm on the 2013 Kawasaki Zx 6R 636.
Wanna go to Broad River?
And my boy is on the Gsxr.
You wanna go to Broad River?
Suzuki Gsxr 600. And we just cruising, man. About to hit up Broad River for no reason at all. Just riding. Nice night. And as you can hear, that exhaust is beasting right now. Shout out to M4. We just cruising. And y'all enjoy this video, man, for real though. Hit the like button if you like it. Hit the thumbs down if you don't, but subscribe to your boy. Either way it go, I fuck with all y'all. Y'all riders, stay safe out there.
So yeah, man, this long ass light, man. Chilling. All these damn lights. So, topic of the day is, fuck it, ain't no damn topic. We just ride, man. I know I'm supposed to be on this moto vlog and shit, but man, I can't see how you motherfuckers drive and concentrate at the same damn time. Shit. I guess it take practice or something. But yeah, we headed to this place, B River. You know. Motherfuckers still drive crazy out this bitch, man. That's the topic of the day. That's the real reason why I got the LED lights. I mean, granted, I like how they look. And I got the sequential tail light in the back with the Fender Eliminator kit. I think it's Yoshimura or some shit. Anyway, that shit costs a lot of money just to take something off my bike. But anyway, yeah, that's the only real reason why I really got LED lights on my bike. I mean, I got the 15 strips. 15 strips. Got 15 strips. Let me get off this car ass, man. Nigga slamming on brakes and shit. But yeah, I got 15 strips. Like all different sizes. They claim it's a million different colors when there's really about 18 of these motherfuckers. And got all different kind of settings, flashing, strobing, heartbeat. So yeah. And I got the lights for the simple fact of these motherfuckers right here. Motherfuckers that like to run up on motorcycles. I think some of these people in these cars, which I'm a cager myself, I mean everybody's a cager. I mean, it's very few people whose fucking first vehicle was a motherfucking motorcycle. So I hate when people say these fucking cagers, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, these quote-unquote cagers out here, they tend not to see motorcycles. So, with that being said, that's the real reason why I got these LED lights, man, to be honest, man. Yeah, they look good, they flashy. I'm just not really that type of flashy person. You think I'm talking to myself? No, I'm just talking on the mic, man. But yeah, I ain't that type of flashy person, but like that. But every motherfucker on this street could probably see me right now, and that's what I like about it. So there's no fucking excuse, no motherfucking excuse at all why you bitches would hit somebody. I recently came off an accident, March 10th, matter of fact, my first accident, man. Somebody ran into my lane, ran me off the road, slid, road rash, the whole 9 yards. Had to fix my bike. Cosmetic damage, had to fix my rear set on the left side of the left shifter. So this shit is a pain in the ass. I mean, people think they safe because they on a damn, they're in a car, but at the same time, we don't got no motherfucking seatbelts. And the bitch kept going too, so I put the lights back on my bike. Shit like that. As you may hear, I got the louder exhaust, which I've been had that. The louder slip on. So for like my bro right here who don't have a slip on, I try to rev the engine so when he passes a corner or intersection like this, somebody can hear him. One of my boys got knocked off a bike like that. But the thing was, he had a damn Harley. Damn, that bump was crazy. But yeah, man. So I do recommend, even if it's, I mean, it don't have to be 15 lights, but if you just get the basic 6 light kit, get those. If you ain't trying to be flashy, get all white. Shit. He leaving my ass because I'm talking. I told y'all I can't multitask. Going 72 miles per hour. Get the lights, man. For real. Like I said, man, it's dangerous out here. I'm one of the very few. Well, I can't say that because I haven't seen all of them, but a lot of motor vloggers ain't even been down. I'm one of the very few that can say, yeah, I've been down. And that shit fucking sucks. I don't care if you going 100 miles per hour or 10 miles per hour. If you go down, that shit fucking sucks. On my mama, that shit sucks, man. I'm in the house whining to my girl like a little bitch. But yeah, man. Hey, shout out to my boy, Will. Get your bike, get back on 2 wheels, boy. With both Williams, Will and Williams. Make a big name. So yeah, shout out to my boy Beecham. He probably at work right now. Well, Ken don't need to be. It's his skunk day, so he got to pass. But yeah, shout out to all y'all boys, all my riding partners, man. Y'all ride hard, y'all. No homo, cause y'all motherfuckers you two motherfuckers kinda